Hey, I'm Chris, founder of Ads Uploader, and in this video, I'm going to show you how the tool works. So from within our dashboard, we have two main options. We have our uploader and our duplicator. For the sake of this video, let's look at the uploader panel. So first thing at the top here, you can select the ad account you wish to create ads into. We allow unlimited accounts within unlimited business managers connected to your Facebook profile. So down here, you can either import your media directly from Google Drive, or you can just drop into the Dropbox here. I'm going to select these 11 ads and go down here and click the upload files button. So these files are now being uploaded to our ad account, which is part one of the process. Next, we actually need to configure how we want our ads to be uploaded or created within Ads Manager. So I'm going to minimize this, and as that's uploading, I'm going to move over to our most popular option here, which is to set up ads using the Meta API, and we're going to model our ads on an existing ad from within our ad account. So here you can see we have a bunch of different campaign types. We support purchase campaigns, instant forms, calls, pretty much every single type of campaign that you can throw up, we should be able to support. So for this video, we'll just keep it simple with a sales purchase campaign. And I'm going to go over to my general ad set and find an ad from there that I wish to copy settings from. So that's going to load the configuration for that historical ad, and that's going to become the foundation for our new ads. We can either use it to upload into the same ad set or into a new ad set or into a new campaign. But the construct of the ad is exactly how this initial ad that we've already built and tested and is a tried and tested DNA, if you like, and we can just replicate that and use it again. So you don't have to go through this every time. You can now save this as a preset. So when you jump back into your account, you can use the preset toggle here. You can save as many presets as you want, and they're saved down to each ad account. So you can have individual presets for each ad account, different setups for each ad account that you're actually working in. So down here, we can see the campaign and ad set options. As I said, we can either create a new campaign with that existing configuration, or we can choose to create a new ad set for each file, which also has some options to group variations if they are uniformly named. We can auto divide ad sets, ads into ad sets. So here we're saying let's put 5 ad sets per ad set. Or we can actually build a custom configuration where we can choose which files, which creatives go into which ad set, and build them through this kind of dynamic interface here. So I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to create a new ad set. Let's call it angle 3, because I've already got angle 1 and angle 2, I believe. So we're saying now that we're going to put all of our 1 to 11 ads here into an ad set angle 3. And I just take a moment at this point to note that I didn't show you that the files have actually been uploaded up the top here. You can toggle over them to see what they are. You can click into them to see the actual preview from within your ads library, and this obviously works for videos as well. So going back to here, we can now set our ad text options. We have 3 options here. We can apply the common text to all the ads, which means we're going to use the same headline and same primary text and all other options across all of the ads, or we can actually define them on an ad set level. Now I only had one ad set, obviously, so that's not particularly useful for this setup, but here we can actually edit the text for each ad. So we can actually have unique headlines, primary text, link descriptions, call to actions, website URL, display URL, and we can actually turn on some extra fields like URL parameters as well if you like. Going back to here, I'm actually going to use the apply common text to all ads option, and you'll see that the headlines, primary text, link descriptions, everything is actually populated based on that initial configured ad that I'd selected. But you don't have to use that. You can override this. So I'm just going to write ads upload in here, and that's actually overridden that original headline. I can actually add another headline, try ads uploader, and you'll see here this is set to flexible text. So with flexible text, we can actually create up to 5 headlines and 5 primary texts per ad. We also have an option to create separate ads, which would actually create a unique variation for every single headline primary text combination that is possible. But by far most popular is to allow Meta to use its algorithmic flexible text. So I'm just going to keep things simple for now. We'll just have two headlines, these two here, and I'm going to keep the existing primary text just for sake of this video, but I can obviously override it if I wanted to. I'm going to use the existing call to action, the existing website URL, display URL, and URL parameters. Obviously, I can change all those if I wanted to. Now down here, we can actually choose to turn creative enhancements on or off on an individual level, or we can of course select all or select all off, or choose to use the Meta defaults. Now I'm actually just going to use them or have them all turned off as shown here. Now finally, before we press the create ads button, we have two more options. We can either create the ads in pause status in case you want to go in and review them and make them live yourself in your account. And we can also schedule these ads to start at a specific time. So today's time in the ad account is the 4th of January, 8:29 a.m. And my account time zone is LA time zone. So I am actually going to have this set to launch these ads tomorrow at 12 a.m., which is the default. You can configure this however you want. So once you're happy with the configuration and you're ready to upload your ads, you can go down and click the create ads button. And much like the media being uploaded into the account, you're going to see a live view of that creation happening down in the bottom right corner activity monitor. Now you'll see the estimated time is up to 2 minutes. Realistically, it can be a lot faster. You can see we're already on ad 3 now, and we're about to jump into our batch processing mode, which allows us to upload ads even faster into your ad account. So hopefully within a couple of seconds, boom, that's all uploaded, and you can see this successfully created message here, and we can jump over to the ad account, and I'm going to jump into this sales purchase campaign. You'll see we have angle 3 here, which was the ad set which I created. You'll see that my ads are uploaded, number 1 to 11. I can click in here and click the edit button, and we'll be able to see the configuration that I already had set up and I was happy with. I've got my website URL, I've got my creatives, obviously. You can see that my headlines were uploaded with the ads uploader, try ads uploader, flexible variations, my existing primary text, all my call to actions, and no creative enhancements enabled. So you'll quickly see how nice and easy it is to upload a lot of ads through Ads Uploader. My mission is to make the process of uploading ads as fun as it can be and as quick as it needs to be, so you can focus on strategy rather than clicking buttons.